Whether you're vlogging or chasing adventure, the right action camera makes all the difference. Stay tuned as we reveal the 5 best action cameras to elevate your shots and keep up with your wildest moments. Meet the DJI Action 5 Pro, the action camera built for every adventure. Whether speeding down mountain trails or diving into the deep blue, this camera ensures clear footage, smooth stabilization, and smart features that adapt to your surroundings. Capture every split second with burst mode, snapping 40-megapixel photos instantly. Its 13.5 stops of dynamic range smoothly adjust from bright daylight to low light conditions, ensuring balanced exposure and rich, vibrant colors. Super Night Mode enhances the details in dark environments, while 10-bit color support in normal and D-Log M profiles adds depth and dimension to your shots. Love slow motion? The 32x super slow motion mode will capture even the tiniest movements with stunning clarity. Plus, with a cold-resistant battery lasting up to 4 hours of continuous recording, this camera is ready for your toughest shoots. Do you also need crisp, clear audio? Worry not, as the Action 5 Pro supports 2 DJI mics, even in windy environments. Waterproof up to 20 meters, it tracks your dive depth and time, keeping underwater colors vibrant and true. Barometric pressure sensors track altitude in real time, and high-speed transfer lets you share your adventure instantly. If you're looking for a performance that matches your passion, the DJI Action 5 Pro is your only companion. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is an action camera designed for creators who want to capture stunning footage with ease and versatility. It features a large sensor that allows you to capture crisp 8K video, giving you the freedom to make edits without losing quality. The wide-angle lens opens up your shots, letting you include more of the action in every frame. One of the standout features of the Ace Pro 2 is its dual AI chips, which make it smarter and faster than ever. This means you get clearer footage, even in low-light environments, with reduced noise and better overall image quality. Whether shooting in the bright sun or at night, the camera adapts to ensure your video looks great in any setting. The sleek design of the Ace Pro 2 makes it easy to handle and use, with a 2.5-inch flip-out touchscreen that lets you quickly frame your shots and adjust settings. Advanced stabilization ensures your footage is smooth, even when you're on the move or in rough conditions. Plus, the horizon lock feature keeps your shots level, even when you rotate the camera 360 degrees. With an improved battery, the Ace Pro 2 offers longer recording time and fast charging, giving you more freedom to shoot without worrying about running out of power. It's also waterproof up to 39 feet, so you can confidently take it on underwater adventures or through harsh weather. The best GoPro till now, the Hero 13 Black is built for those who seek adventure without limits. Its rugged, waterproof design makes it ready for anything, while the new mag mount system makes mounting and swapping accessories faster and easier than ever. The camera delivers a clear 5.3K video, ensuring you capture every detail of your adventure. The Max Lens 2 expands the view to 177 degrees, giving you a wider perspective. Plus, if you want to capture slow-motion action, it shoots 4K at 120 frames per second, adding a cinematic touch. GoPro has also improved its low-light performance, ensuring clearer shots even when the light fades. With the new Auto Boost feature, the camera adjusts to give you smooth footage while maintaining a wide view. Horizon Lock keeps your shots level, even when the camera spins. The upgraded Enduro Plus battery gives you more recording time and works better in colder conditions. It also charges quickly, reaching 80% in under 30 minutes, so you're always ready. The Hero 13 Black also supports Bluetooth microphones for better sound and has enhanced editing tools, making it easy to create polished content on the go. For anyone looking to capture every moment, the Hero 13 Black is one of the top choices with its blend of durability and smart features, capturing every angle used to mean bulky rigs and complicated edits. But the Insta360 X4 changes all that. With stunning 8K resolution, this camera transforms standard shots into high-quality visuals, ideal for action scenes and immersive moments. Flow state stabilization makes your footage smooth and cinematic, even in the most intense situations. If slow motion is your style, it shoots 5.7K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 100 frames per second, ensuring clear, fluid motion. Active HDR helps retain detail in bright skies and dark shadows, eliminating the washed-out look typical of other action cameras. The camera's Me mode takes the guesswork out of framing. Just hit record, and it keeps you in the shot, no matter where you move. For filmmakers, it's not just another camera. It's a powerful creative tool. With sharper resolution and a flatter color profile, it easily integrates with footage from mirrorless or DSLR cameras. It takes the hassle out of 360-degree video, offering a smooth workflow from start to finish. In short, the Insta360 X4 is more than just for action shots. It's a versatile tool for creators ready to explore new perspectives and elevate their content. Here is another camera from DJI, the Osmo Action 4. It's a highly reliable action camera that excels in video and photo quality. It delivers sharp, vibrant 4K footage with impressive clarity and color. The built-in microphone captures clear sound even in challenging conditions like heavy rain, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. In addition to video, the camera takes stunning 10-megapixel photos, offering rich colors and a wide-angle perspective. Whether shooting video or stills, this amazing camera produces professional-grade results. One of its standout features is its exceptional battery life, providing over 2 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. Long shooting sessions are effortless with the Adventure combo, which includes extra batteries. The camera also features a magnetic mounting system, allowing for quick and easy adjustments between horizontal and vertical orientations. User-friendly with its responsive touchscreen and intuitive menu, the Osmo Action 4 is designed for beginners and seasoned creators. It's a good companion for capturing action shots, whether exploring the great outdoors or documenting fast-paced moments. The camera combines high performance, ease of use, and durability, making it a must-have for anyone seeking quality footage on the go. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Next Cube channel.